welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am really very excited because हम जा रहे हैं Maldives. Yay! So really excited. तो अभी तो हम एयरपोर्ट पे हैं एंड हमारी फ़्लाइट है रात के 3 बजे एंड हम वैसे तो जल्दी आ गए थे बट मैं मेरा व्लॉग स्टार्ट करना भूल गई एज़ यूजुअल। तो वैसे तो इंटरनेशनल फ़्लाइट्स का चेक इन 3 घंटे पहले चालू होता है। सो राइट नाउ इट्स 12 o'clock और हम अभी चेक इन वाले लाइन में खड़े हैं। तो चेक इन होने के बाद मिलते हैं। Okay, so it's 4:15 right now. Actually our flight got delayed by 1 hour. So अभी जस्ट हम फ्लाइट में बैठे हैं, अब तक फ्लाइट ने टेक ऑफ नहीं किया है। So we are just waiting right now. And she is my partner. Hi. Hi. के 10:30 बज रहे हैं और हम माले एयरपोर्ट पे अभी जस्ट आए हैं एंड इट्स जस्ट सो ब्यूटीफुल। लाइक ये पानी भी इतना ब्लू है, लाइक यू गेट दैट वाइब एज सून एज यू लैंड एट माले। सो राइट नाउ वी आर वेटिंग फॉर अ स्पीड बोट जो अभी 10 मिनट में शायद आ जाएगी। आई विल शो यू अ ग्लिम्स ऑफ माले एयरपोर्ट। इजंट इट ब्यूटीफुल? You get that vibe। और ये ऐसे ही बोट्स है, ये हमारी बोट नहीं है, हमारी बोट अलग है। हमारी स्पीड बोट है जो कि ऐसी होगी। तो हम फाइनली अपने आइलैंड पे पहुंच चुके हैं। इट्स 12 o'clock राइट नाउ एंड हम एक होटल में रुके हैं जिसका नाम है किनान रिट्रीट विच इज़ जस्ट सो ब्यूटीफुल। नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर अ रूम टूर। Washroom and then balcony. I'll show it. Wait. The view is just awesome. सो इट्स द नेक्स्ट डे एंड आज सुबह हम उठे, हमने ब्रेकफास्ट किया और अभी हम चेंज करके स्नॉर्कलिंग के लिए जा रहे हैं। सो सी यू देयर। So now we are at the sandbank. So first they'll be showing us how to do it. Means we are doing it for the first time. So they'll show it, and afterwards we'll be doing it. But this sandbank is just so beautiful. Only we 4 or 5 people are here, and it's so beautiful. I'll try to capture some shots. Yay! Whoa, those are dolphins. So after doing all of those amazing water sports, we are here for our lunch and this looks great. Like it's tempting. So this is what our lunch looks like. So now we'll start eating. As it's my mom's birthday today, so we have our dinner on the beach and it's so gorgeous. I'll show you guys. guys, so it's our third day in Maldives and also our second last day over here. हमारी ट्रिप 4 days की है. So वैसे तो टेक्निकली हमारा second last day है, बट मुझे घर जाने की इच्छा नहीं है. आई एम रियली enjoying here and I don't want to go back again, but I have to. Good morning you guys. So it's our 4th day in Maldives and right now I'm ready in my airport fit. So now let's go and first have our breakfast. Today's breakfast menu. Hi, what's your name?
I am Kamini Vijay Bandar.
Okay, so he was our cook and really you are the best cook I have ever seen and your food was really tasty and in these 4 days I have eaten the best food ever of every kind, means Chinese, Sri Lankan, Maldivian and even Indian. It was really good. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Bye. Let's go. So right now I am at Malé इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट एंड अभी 9:15 हो रहे हैं और हमारी फ्लाइट के लिए अभी बहुत टाइम है. सो आई जस्ट थॉट दैट आई विल गिव यू सम टिप्स अबाउट Maldives. So first of all, June is a great season. Everyone keeps asking that is June a good season because it's rainy season. So is it good to go to Maldives in June? Then yes, the answer is yes. June is a good season. You have one advantage that it's not that crowded in June and it's not that sunny as well. It's a bit less sunny and you don't have that much crowd. But we also have some tourists with us, as you can see. It isn't like no one is there, but some people are there, but it's not that crowded. And then the second thing is, whenever you plan to come to Maldives, always convert your rupees into dollars only. Don't convert it into rufiya because here they don't accept rufiya, means some hotels do not accept rufiya. So it would be great if you convert it into dollars so that you don't have any further problem. And then from Malé International Airport to your hotel, you can go with a speedboat or with a local ferry. The local ferries go only to local islands like Mafushi, Fulidu, etc. But we opted for a speedboat because we aren't that patient to go with a local ferry, because a local ferry takes 3.5 hours whereas a speedboat takes only 1.5 hours. But also the local ferry takes $2 per person and the speedboat takes $40 per person. But we went with a speedboat because we aren't that patient. Also we went from Malé airport to our hotel from speedboat and we came back by speedboat only. So as I said, June is a great season and it has an advantage, as I said, but it also has a disadvantage that as it's less crowded, then you don't have people to share your expenses with. Like जब हम शार्क पॉइंट गए थे तभी that speedboat guy wanted minimum 6 to 7 people, but we were only 4, so he wasn't ready to take us because it would have been expensive for him. So we had to hire a speedboat. It was a bit costly, but we did it and I think it was worth it. So you have a disadvantage and also an advantage. So according to me, June is a great season. So it's your choice. So जब मैंने आते वक्त लैंड किया था माले एयरपोर्ट पे, तभी हम थोड़े बिजी थे and we were in hurry. So I couldn't show you Malé airport. So now I'll show you because we have half an hour or 1 hour for our flight. So I'll show you guys. Okay, so when you land on Malé International Airport, you will come out from this gate and right in front of this you have all of these desks and the first desk is the helping desk, and अगर आपको कुछ भी doubts है then she is the person who will clear it. And then each and every hotel has its own desk. As you can see it, there are names written on it. Each and every hotel has its own desk, so you just have to go to that desk and tell them that you have a booking or something, and then they'll provide you speedboat. And then also they have here currency exchange, Bank of Maldives, and there is a pharmacy as well. Right there is a pharmacy, and this is a help desk, because when you come from India, your Indian SIM doesn't work here, and if you want to make a call, you can make a call from here. So if you want to go to your island by a seaplane, then you can come to this counter and they'll guide you accordingly. So this is what Malé International Airport looks like from inside.
Mr. Sai Krishna Arudrapahu, and Mr. Muniraj Saitaja Ramapuram, Mr. Muniraj Saitaja.